Now if you see the second experiment, that means second part of this, create a script that calculates sum of two numbers. So that means you are going to write a script for summation of two numbers and display the result in alert box. That means you have to use alert, right? How to use that? In previously we have discussed about addition of two number, right? Yes or no? Sum of two numbers program. We have seen that using JavaScript. Now that use the same code in HTML. Let's see that. Okay. Where is the code? Let me check. Sample. Now not required. This was the right. This is the code, right? Now I want this pk.js to add it in this code. Okay, now I will remove this. Okay, I will remove this also. Save it. Okay, now what happened? I want a script to be used in HTML, external JS. As of now, you have JS, JavaScript. I have wrote the code. Now I want to call pk.js in the code. Okay, 1 minute. I have to keep this also, right? Now this is 1.html. What are you supposed to do? How to link? So when you write a script, what you have to give? src is equal to, what is the path? That means I am keeping in same path, right? In model 1 only. I'll use pk.js. Let's see that. See, automatically it is giving suggestion. And I will close this. Okay, right? I'll save it. But one thing you have to do. Now look at here. Previously what code we wrote for summation of two number. Okay, this summation of two number we were getting the result in VS. But we want result on the browser. So when you use this prompt required, this is going to be, this code will be only used for the VS Code. This is not required in JavaScript, which you are going to use on web application. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll give the comment line here as of now. Okay, now we have done the summation. Again, this summation is going to show in the log. We don't want to show in the log. What we want, this shows as a result, as a alert box. So what you have to, there is a code called as alert, right? You can write the alert, the sum age, right? And you are going to write plus sum or only sum and semicolon, save it. Now the moment I save, you can see on the left hand side my result come with the pop-up. So I have to give enter number, I'll give 10. Again second number, enter 20. You can see that the sum is how much? 30. Suppose you want to see that again, log, right click, it will not work. Right click, here it will not work because already alert box is there. Okay, click on OK. So now if you right click and inspect element, okay, now if you go to the console.log, what happened? See that in console.log, what we did just now, result as a 30, right? Summation was there. Now that summation, it is displaying in the log. Clear? Hope it is clear. So that's why we have removed this from the code. Okay, this line we have used alert box. If you remove the console, then obviously result will not come here. Let's save it. Now you see that inspect element gone. You can see the result fetching the bottom. I'll give as a 100, 200. Okay, the sum is 300. Okay, but now you can see there is no log because we have not printed into the log form, right? So the result is not coming. So this what I have used here in HTML, this JavaScript even you can use in body section, or even if I use here this before the closing of head section, both result will be same. This is anywhere. It will not display on the screen. That means the body section what I am using will be not here. So this JavaScript, it's called, so this is externally we are calling JavaScript code and executing here.